Determine the positive value of k so that the equation 9x square plus 3kx plus 4 is equal to 0 has equal roots. Now, when we say a quadratic equation has equal roots, that means delta is equal to 0. Delta means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So therefore, b square is equal to 4ac. Now, if we compare the given quadratic equation to the standard form, we get a is equal to 9, b is equal to 3k, and c is equal to 4. So b square, that is 9k square, is equal to 4 into 9 into c, that is 4. So 9 gets cancelled. So therefore we have k square is equal to 4 4s are 60. So if we take square roots on both sides, we will have k is equal to plus or minus 4. But it is specifically mentioned determine the positive value of k. So therefore k is equal to 4.